We're here in the demo room at the Haas factory, and today we'll look at a couple of new additions to our machines. First is our new multi-stage coolant pump that is both powerful and quiet. And second is our new Chip Washdown feature that adds additional chip clearing action at the rear side of the enclosure. The main benefits of our multi-stage coolant pump are improved pressure and flow output while generating significantly less noise than its single-stage brother. This 1.5 horsepower pump delivers 16 gallons per minute and 70 psi at the pump outlet. That translates to about 40 psi at the spindle nozzles, and what's great is you get this improved chip blasting power from a pump that really is a lot quieter. In fact, let's take a quick look and listen to the pump in action. You can see the pump is putting out a stout stream of coolant, and our new washdown nozzles at the back of the enclosure are blasting away as well. Now, let's come around here to the coolant pump and get up close. This pump is quiet enough that I can't even hear it running over the splashing of the coolant in the machine. Then, of course, the most important thing. How well does this new pump bring coolant to the cutting and chip clearing zones? Well, it does a great job. That 16 gallons per minute and 40 psi produces a powerful stream of coolant. That's with the washdown nozzles working away at the same time to push chips down to the auger. Speaking of the Chip Washdown feature, these nozzles do a great job of keeping the rear section of the enclosure free of big chip piles. They're positioned to keep the chips moving towards the auger or conveyor so you have less cleanup to do at the end of the day. And if you happen to have a unique application where you want a slightly different nozzle, make your own. The manifold is tapped for 1/8" NPT, so it's easy to fit something custom. These updates to our standard features are making our next Haas machine even more capable and user-friendly. Thanks for watching.